Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add these stream avatars that displays chat messages, all for free. First, head over to the OBS project site from the official link below. Just follow that link given under How to Use section to proceed. This is a web-based service, so it's super lightweight and won't impact your PC's performance. Before that, I want to give a quick shout out to developer of this project. You can also find the GitHub link below. Once you open the link, you'll be prompted to connect your Twitch account. It's just a quick sign in. After that, you'll land on this screen where you can copy the code. Just paste it into your OBS. Just follow the steps and you'll be good to go. Just click on Add icon and select Browser and paste the code in URL section. Change the width and height to your screen resolution and press OK. You'll see this little avatar walking around. As more people start chatting during your live stream, everyone will get their own avatar, and the avatar color will match their chat username color. You can customize your avatar and change the commands right on the site where you logged in earlier. You can also reduce the number of avatars from 100 to 25 if you want. There are a few commands you can play around with, like grow, which will temporarily increase your avatar's size. You've also got the dash and jump commands that add some fun to the experience. You can change the default skin to any of these preset skins. Just remember, to see the changes, you'll need to refresh the cache in your OBS window. And that's it. Now, whenever someone chats, their message will display on the screen right above their assigned avatar. Sorry for the plug-in, I just wanted to share some of our freelance work. We offer web development, graphic design, and editing services. You can find the links in the description. Feel free to email us if you're interested. You can skip this part if you want. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.